My name is Bailey. I'm a sales associate here at Byrider in Green Bay, and today I just wanted to explain our program and answer a few questions that we typically get here at Byrider. We are a buy here, pay here dealership. So we have our own bank. We do in-house financing. The first step of the process is to have you come on in and fill out an application. That usually takes about 20 minutes. We then get it sent right over to our banks. Our bank is going to take a look at stability, affordability. We want to make sure that you're able to make your payments. That way we can help you build your credit. And by the end of this loan, our goal is to have your credit built up. That way you can go to whatever dealership you want and get your dream vehicle. So we do budget everything out, so we'll take a look at your monthly finances and get you a payment that is affordable that you're able to maintain. All of our vehicles also come with a 4-year, 48,000-mile warranty, so we try to keep your vehicle covered for the duration of your loan to cut back on out-of-pocket expenses that may come with normal wear and tear or things breaking down with the vehicle. So if you are ready to get on that path of better credit, please give us a call at 920-455-7788, or you can stop on in at 2805 Ramada Way in Green Bay. Thank you.